Okay, hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to make mango lassi. So first we're going to peel our mango. I'm not really good at peeling mangoes, but yeah, we're gonna peel our mango. Okay, now we're going to cut our mango. It can be cut it however you want because we're going to blend this because we're making mango lassi, and of course we need to blend this to make mango lassi. So since we're going to blend it, it's still gonna be blended, so just cut it however you want. I like cutting it like this. You don't have to cut it too much, that won't be necessary. Like this only. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we're going to add 3 cups of milk. So 3 cups of milk to this blender. So 1, now let's see, 2, and 3. Now we're going to add our mango. So add all of our mango. Just like this. Now we're going to add our Okay, now we're going to add our honey. So you guys can add honey or sugar, it depends on the texture you want. I'm gonna use honey this time, so this will be 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is kind of sticky. Okay, now I'm going to add my yogurt. ¿Cuánto? So it will be 3 tablespoons of yogurt. A little bit more than 3 tablespoons, like this. Like 4 tablespoons, I think. Now our cardamom powder. So our cardamom powder, and now these we're gonna blend.